Okay, let's take a look at this question. So most of us, we are quite okay with the proving part. Okay, when you see this kind of proving, when like there's like odd number angles like sine 3x, right? Okay, what I want you to note is usually they say take the more complicated side, right? But when you see something like this one, please always use this to open it up to look like the one on the right side instead, okay? So this one here, right? If I were to write down left hand side, this one is actually sine 2x plus x. All right, so open it up. Even though usually we start from the complicated, but when you're seeing addition, right, use this. Okay, use the sine 3x to open up. So this one here will be sine 2x cosine x plus, you know how to see the signs? We are plus, so we are using the sign on top. Okay, cosine 2x sine x. So from here, double angle, then you think of what you want to use by looking at what is on the other side. So everything is made up of sine only, right? So when you're using your double angle, which is the 3 over here, remember how I tell you all the formulas, right, are divided into three parts, okay? Now you go and watch the proving tutorial just to see this, okay? Okay, so sine 2x is 2 sine A cosine A. This one like no choice I have to use that already, no choice, right? So 2 sine x cosine x multiply by the other cosine x from here. Okay, I'm going to separate it so you can see. The cosine 2x one, let's use this one because we want it to be sine, right? Don't make your life so difficult. Go and make cosine and change again. So this one here will just be 1 minus 2 sine square x, not a, and then we have a sine x from here. So this one here, when we opened it, this is 2 sine x cosine square x. So that cos cosine x times cosine x. This one you got the rainbow, yeah? Be careful the rainbow, don't forget anybody, okay? Rainbow and rainbow from here. So this one here will be sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Good news, because you start to have 2 sine cube already, right? Almost there. So this guy here, hiya, why are you here? You don't belong here. We want everything to be sine. So sine change to cosine, use the identity. Sine square plus cosine square equals to 1. All right, first group of formula is identity. Second group is splitting up your addition, so your odd number angles. Last group is your double angle. Okay, so from here, what we have is 2 sine x, right? Cosine square x is what? Cosine square x is 1 minus sine square x. All right, then I'm going to minus this. I haven't finished this. I've got one sine x here. Sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Okay, rainbow again. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. So from here, this is 2 sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Right? Then plus sine x minus sine x minus 2 sine cube x from here. So now can combine already. See, minus 2 gives me minus 4. Saw that? Then 2 plus 1. So this one here is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Shown equals to right hand side. Wow, just nice and almost no space. Okay, so show already. Not too scary. 4 marks, I think not bad, no? Because 1 mark to open up your addition. Then 2 marks, 1 mark to open up your double angle. 1 mark to change the cosine square to sine square. Last mark is just to show it from here. Okay? Okay, now we have the hence part, right? So hence, go and solve the equation, right? Hence means you need to use the one on top already lah. Okay? So this is 6 sine x. Hey, isn't it double of this guy? Seems like it, right? So what I'm going to do is this one 6, right? Is 2 of that. So what happens is if I want 2 of this, then I will 2 of the other side also. So then from here, wait, my bad. Okay, so I'll change this side to 2 sine 3x equals to 1. All right, 2 sine 3x equals to 1. So make it sine 3x equals to half. All right, careful. Your angle here is 3x. Let's go by our order. Step 1, determine our quadrant. All right, so once I determine my quadrant, so step 1 is always quadrant A, S, TC. So what I can see is sine is positive, these two quadrant from here. Second one, determine my basic angle. So sine inverse half. Sorry. Okay, so sine inverse half is 30, right? Remember, never ever sine inverse negative number, okay? Because we're getting the basic angle. Basic angle, acute, positive. So now from here, we have, what do you want? Your range so small. Okay, so what we have is we have 3x. First quadrant. Second quadrant is 180 minus 30. So it's like that, right? Okay, add one more cycle now. So when I add one more cycle, plus 360. So this is 390 plus 360 again. What's 150 plus 360? This is 510. So this is adding cycles. So this is first quadrant. Second quadrant is 180 minus basic, right? Then you check for the cycles. Okay, so there's many more answers, all right? So what I want is I want to find x now. So I got 10, 50, 130, blah, blah, blah. Hey, I only want until 120. Saw that? So, good habit to check. At the end of the day, this one reject. So, my final two answers, this one. And we are done. All right, 4 marks. Quite kind one. Very nice. Not too difficult also.